Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is the final video on this Discovery 2 TD5 ES model. It's finally finished, so we're just going to show you around exactly what we've done so you can see what it looks like when we're finished. As you can see there, the exterior's all been polished. It's all looking very nice. All the bits there have been blacked just to make them look nice as well. Wheels been sanded down, got rid of all the corrosion on the wheels there, so they're looking good as well. Blacked all the rear of it. Took the spare tyre cover off because it was quite old and knackered, but you can see you've got an excellent spare tyre there as well. Light guards, took them rear light guards off there. There's no welding needed doing on this one. It's nice and solid underneath. Gone through an MOT, no advisories. Well, it will go through an MOT with no advisories because it's been for the MOT. It failed because we forgot to put a fuse back in the fuse box, so it failed on side lights, but it was simply because we forgot to put a fuse back in after we'd worked on it. But all down this side you can see there, nice and shiny. It's all looking good. On the inside, the roof obviously has been done as well, which is looking lovely. On the inside you've got the new gaiters that have been put on. Let's get a bit of light on. The new gaiters that have been put on the handbrake and on the diff lock there. It's got its new radio. It's all been polished. It's all looking lovely inside. You've got the wood in this one as well. The heated seats work. The doors work. The windows work. Everything's working like it should on this one. 135,000 miles. 2 keys. Both work. Both work in the car. Oh, hang on. Both work in the car. And both work on the fob, so all the central locking works as well. The other thing it had a issue with on the MOT was the window wipers, which, oh, there you go. I'm just super slow on to come on for some reason, but they do work. Just takes its time thinking about it. You hear the click, and then the intermittent takes a little bit of time to come on. On to the next one, and up to the next one. So them I'm working. Okay, anyway, that's been sorted as well. Interior's looking nice and clean. In the rear, it's looking good. As you know, these generally never get sat on in these big cars. Headliner's looking great as well. So that's been done. Sunroofs have been checked, they're all working and they're all free of debris in the pipes. Rear seats look good. So it's all done, it's all working, everything's sweet as a nut. Wheels look great. Took the lamps off the front there, the spotlights, simply because that absolutely rotted on the inside. They did look great. Everything's been done under the bonnet, serviced and ready to rock and roll. So another one on the road, another one saved. We'll just do a little montage now.